Just fire.
Last one to go. Putini na itakom. Push up night na itakom dum. That's it, Dawson. Look at that. No.
Good mason work.
That to them again,
When
Derek.
you get good mason work,
Look at that.
your work done properly.
You understand?
You have no problem when you see a crack around the edge. Yes, big up, thumbs up to the mason. Thumbs up.